How can pig farming outsmart big bad emissions? Let's tackle pig farming, shall we? Whether you've got 3 little pigs or a full hog lot, chances are feed production is your main source of big bad emissions. Most of that CO2 comes from crop production and imported soybeans. A simple way to avoid the spread of this high-impact monoculture, notorious for Latin America's deforestation, is to use sustainably produced soy or replace it with lower-impact proteins. Researchers at the University of Leeds are leading the way, feeding their finishing pigs diets based on canola, sunflower, beans, and peas, plus amino acid supplements. Here's what they found. The pig's final weight didn't change. Feed costs rose slightly, by 6.19%. Global warming impact dropped significantly, by 19.68%. Not bad at all, right? Stay tuned for more smart and sustainable feeds.